My name is Micah Fernando. I'm a fourth-year PhD candidate at University of California, San Francisco, in the lab of Kevon Chokat. I'm in their biochemistry PhD program. Previously, I was an undergraduate at Grand Valley State University studying biochemistry. There, I worked in the Waller lab doing a lot of structural biology and enzymology. I carried over some of that expertise into studying Rab GTPases in the Chokat lab, where I'm developing selective covalent probes to inhibit Rab GTPase function. And to do that, we're leveraging work on mutant KRAS G12C oncoprotein and the previous work we did in inhibiting KRAS. And so in this slide, I've just diagrammed out the chemical genetics approach that I'm taking to inhibit Rab GTPases, where we first mutate a conserved serine to cysteine, which mimics the G12C mutation in KRAS, and that allows us to then use covalent KRAS G12C inhibitors against these Rab GTPases with the nucleophilic cysteine. GDC 6036 was developed by Roche and is in stage 3 clinical trials. However, when I introduced the cysteine into Rab1A, as you can see by the red line, it covalently modifies this mutant protein really fast, and that can be increased by adding a secondary sensitizing mutation, whereas the wild type is untouched. So this represents one of the first selective Rab GTPase probes. And I've tested this molecule against quite a few Rab1A mutants as well as other GTPases, which you can see at my poster. We introduced a third mutation, a histidine that mimics a conserved histidine in RAS GTPases. However, that didn't accelerate kinetics of binding. But this work is encouraging and allows us now to have small molecule probes against Rab GTPases.